Welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to stop the Facebook app from automatically starting every time you sign in on your PC, even after the latest update. If you find it annoying that Facebook always pops up when you log in, this guide will help you take control and keep your desktop clean. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. It doesn't matter if you're already signed in. Just make sure the app is running so you can access the settings. Now, look up at the top of the page. You'll see 3 dots. These typically stand for More Options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open a drop-down menu with several different choices. From the menu, find and select the option labeled App Info. Once you're in the App Info section, look for the Settings option and click it. This will take you to the area where you can control how and when Facebook starts. Inside the settings, scroll to find an option that says Start App when you sign in. This is usually enabled by default, which is why Facebook keeps opening up whenever you log into your computer. To disable this, simply click the switch or toggle next to Start App when you sign in. Once the switch is off, the Facebook app will no longer launch automatically when you start your PC. That's all there is to it. Just to recap, open the Facebook app, click the 3 dots at the top, select App Info, enter Settings, then turn off Start App when you sign in. It's a quick change, but it makes a difference if you want a distraction-free startup. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone else who might need it. See you in the next tutorial.